Okay, this is one of the rooms that needs a deep cleaning. This is a study area, so this will need arrangement and cleaning of all the items here on the floor, the removal of old things and cleaning up the place. This is the dining area. Okay, the dining area too will need a lot of cleaning, and then the living area as well. The windows are blind, but I need them to be cleaned from the outside. Excuse me. So I need the windows to be cleaned from the outside. There's a lot of cobwebs around the windows. Then a general cleaning of the rug as well. So I will go to some of the rooms now so that you can see. Okay, this is the upstairs area. There's a lot of cobwebs on the ceiling that will need to be removed, and then also all this place is cleaned and tidied up. This is the toilet. I need a deep cleaning for this toilet as well. Clean up all those stains. All those things need to be taken out. And then the kids' rooms. I need this place to be cleaned and arranged, and also the cupboards to be arranged. There's a lot of junk that is there. We'll have that taken out and cleaned up, and there's a lot of cobwebs up there. I need all of that to be cleaned as well. And then the room made livable for children. There's cobwebs all over there. There's a lot of junk like I showed you by this side that needs to be taken out. And so this is the another place that needs a thorough cleaning. The bathroom, like I said, also needs a deep cleaning. This is the bathroom for the master bedroom, but I need it to be cleaned. And also there's a lot of stuff that will be removed and cleaned here as well. We put on the lights. Okay, that will be cleaned. This is the master bedroom. It's a bit clean, but I need it to be cleaned better. There's a lot of cobwebs up as well. And then there's another room here. The books here need to be arranged properly, and then the place also cleaned out thoroughly. So in essence, the building is a 5-bedroom apartment. 3 rooms upstairs, 2 rooms downstairs, a kitchen, a dining and a parlor area. There is 3 toilets that need to be thoroughly cleaned out, and then there's a kitchen. Okay, let me take you to the and like I said, there's a lot of cobwebs, and the windows need to be cleaned from the outside inside. The walls of the kitchen need to be scrubbed clean everywhere. You can see all these white tiles, they need to be scrubbed clean as well. The gas cooker needs to be cleaned thoroughly. All these tiles. And then there's this door. The store will need some tidying up though. So